Some of you have already read the story Rip Van Winkle. It is a story basically written for children, and it's very interesting story. Is it not?
Anupama has not read.
Okay, okay. Some of you have not read. Some of you are familiar with the story. Jelin, can you tell me who is the main character in the story? Do you remember?
And his pet wolf.
Ah, yes, Rip Van Winkle. It's the name of a man and his pet dog named Wolf. Okay. So, first we will be practicing. Okay, first we will be practicing
the page number.
a few words which are given there. Children, take out your part 2 textbook. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, a very interesting story, Rip Van Winkle, written by Washington Irving. Okay, so before we move into the story, let's practice some of the words, how to pronounce it. Take page number 2, all of you. Oh, what is the sound coming through? Everyone take page number 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So did you see certain words there given in your textbook?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Wait. First, let me write those
Listen and
words
say
here.
aloud.
Okay.
Okay.
We have 2 sets of words. In the first set, we find that the stress is given to the first syllable.
Ma'am, this you want to write to the paper?
No need to write. I'm just writing it so that it will be more clear to you. Okay.
From there, that clock come from.
You just look into your textbook.
A clock, like in the board, on the board.
Oh, yes. Now it's okay. Children, please be in muted mode.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when you want to communicate, you can unmute. Okay, so the first set of words are these 4 words. These words are called compound words, and the peculiarity is that the first syllable, the first part of the compound word is stressed. Okay? I will just make it clear to you. How will you pronounce the first word? Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Stress should be given to the first syllable.
Toothpaste. Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Okay, very good. Then,
Thank you.
ice cream.
Toothpaste.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay, the stress is given to the first syllable of this compound word. Ice. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Very good,
Ice
very good.
cream.
Now, let's see the third word. Football.
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 Yes, perfect. Then the fourth word, seafood.
Seafood.
It's not food, it is food. Okay, seafood. Seafood.
Seafood.
Okay, once again, toothpaste.
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 Second, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay, third word, football.
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 Sound. T sound should come. T. Football. Okay, all right. Then the fourth word is seafood.
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 Okay.
Seafood.
Now let's consider the next set of words. That is, first I'll write the word here. Okay, then I'll teach you how to pronounce it.
Meter 6 page.
Where do you have to stress in these compound words?
Fast.
Can you find the
Dash. Me.
syllables which are
Min.
given in bold
Page.
letters? Yes?
Dash. Me.
Dash. Me. Min. Page.
Yes. In this second set of compound words, we find that the stress is given to the first syllable of the second word. So let's consider the first word. Which is the second word of this compound word? Fashioned. Okay. And this is the second syllable of this second word of this compound word. Okay. So we have to stress the first syllable of the second word. First syllable. This one. So how will you pronounce? Old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
Very good. Old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
Oh, old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
All right. Then let's come to the second word. 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes. 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Given to the first syllable. Stress is given to the first syllable of the second word. All right, children. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then the third word. 10 meter.
10 meter.
10 meter. 10 meter.
10 meter.
Okay. Then fourth word. 6 page.
6 page.
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 All right.
Page.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Very good. So shall we move to the story now?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the title of our story?
Van Winkle.
Amna, please be patient, Amna. I'll give you a chance. Okay, I have not even started. Please be patient. Okay.
Rip Van Winkle.
Yes, that is the title. Rip Van Winkle.
Winkle.
And who is the author? Washington
Washington
Irving. Washington
Irving.
Irving.
Washington Irving.
Okay, I'll show you the image of the author.
Ma'am, it's Irving or Irving?
Actually, I'm also confused with the pronunciation. It's a name after all. Okay, I'll check it out and tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
How do you like to pronounce which way it sounds better? What do you think, children?
Irving.
Irving. Okay, I will check it out and tell you. Okay. So
Irving.
this is a man who has written this wonderful story, Rip Van Winkle. Okay. This is a story of great imagination and which also contains a lot of adventure. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So, children, let me ask you one question. Imagine that you sleep one day and wake up 20 years later. How would you feel? Just imagine that you have gone to your bed for sleeping and you are sleeping for 20 years, a long time of sleeping, and you wake up after 20 years. How do you feel?
Hungry.
You would feel hungry.
will be changed.
Okay,
Ma'am,
you will
everything
find a
will
lot
be
of change.
Yeah.
And
So
maybe
how
no
will
one
be the
will
world like?
remember me.
How will be the world like after 20 years? Can you just imagine? I'll give you 1 minute time.
Oh my God.
Just think an answer. Just think an
Oh my
answer.
God.
Just think an answer. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute time.
Ma'am, what is
Imagine
the
that
question?
you
And
slept
the
one
world
day and you
be-
are going to wake up after 20 years. How do you feel and what are the kinds of changes that you will find?
Ma'am, I got my answer. Ma'am, I'm flexible.
Yes, everyone got
very
answer?
tired.
Sad
Ma'am,
because
we will be
One
very
at a
tired.
time. Wait. I'll ask. Have you all got an idea? How will be the world like after 20
Yes,
years?
ma'am.
Okay, Jalin, tell me.
Ma'am, if I sleep, if I wake up after 20 years,
20. If you wake up after 20 years,
I will become very sad because I cannot enjoy that much years.
okay, you become sad because you lost many years. You will not be able to enjoy those years. All right. Okay, Racine,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me.
My nails and hair will be grown and I look like a ghost.
Oh, that's very nice. Fantastic answer. Your nails and
Hairs.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes, very good. Your nails would grow so long, and your hairs also, and you would look like a ghost. I
Ma'am,
like it.
for men's, the beads also will come.
Ah, beard. For
Ma'am,
man,
why
the
shouldn't
beard
we
beard
experiment with
also
that,
will grow
ma'am?
long. Okay, Anupama, tell me,
Ma'am,
how would you feel?
our dresses would become very tight,
Okay, your dress would become very tight.
and the flexibility of a person would go.
Okay, you will lose your flexibility. Isa,
Ma'am, the
boys, I'll come to
technology,
you now. Okay, be ready with answer.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
the technology might have been grown so much by then, and we might not know anything about that.
Wow, that's perfect. Technology.
Was
We
there in
have
the
very much
story.
advanced technology by then, and you will be so far away from the technology.
Ma'am,
You will
already-
not know how to use it. Okay, wait,
Ma'am.
wait, Anupama. Let me give chance to others. Romel, tell me, how would you feel after 20 years if you wake up after 20 years?
My skin would be so wrinkly and I would hate it.
Your
I
skin,
wouldn't like it.
your skin will become so wrinkled.
Yes.
Yes. The skin will lose its texture and it will appear in a wrinkled form and you will not like yourself.
And
Ah,
I will have a big beard.
okay. You may also have a long beard. Very good.
Ma'am,
Perfect
our
answer.
education will lose.
Pardon?
Ma'am, our education will lose.
Education. Oh,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. Okay, you will lose your education. All right. Cheryl, do you have any idea what happens after 20 years?
Ma'am, we won't remember of any.
Yes, you may not remember. Remember of what?
But Bengal remembered his wife.
No. Those who have read the story, it's okay. You just forget about that. I'm just asking it in common.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Ah, don't
we
connect
will
with
not
the story.
know how to do anything.
Yes, Cheryl, tell me.
We won't know how to do some things.
What things?
And we'll
What,
forget everything.
what kind of
Like,
forgetfulness?
we'll forget cooking.
Oh, okay. You may forget cooking by the time you wake up after 20 years. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Then Amal,
Ma'am, we will. Ma'am,
Name itself.
Amal,
ma'am, we will
Amal,
become
tell me.
a grand.
Amal is not responding. Evangel,
Can't hear you.
Amal, just check the audibility. Maybe because of network problem. Evangel,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have anything to say? How would you feel after 20 years? What kind of changes do you expect?
Yeah.
How the world will be like?
Ma'am, New Year.
New Year. Evangel, are you not in this world? Of course, this year 2020 is going to end. I agree. But I am asking you, after 20 years of sleeping, how would you feel the world will be?
Tell the answer that it will become New Year.
Oh, yes, of course. Very much new. Okay, then who else? Who else wants to respond? Helen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Anything
We
else to
will-
say?
An early human being.
Yes,
Do not know
ma'am.
anything. Communicate anything.
We will be? I did not hear you properly.
Human being.
We will not be a human being.
And we will become like an early human being. Do not know anything and forgetting anything.
We will become like an early human being. We will not know what is happening around us. And the people also may may seem unfamiliar figures to
ma'am.
us. All right. Nevin, yes, Nevin is ready with the answer. Yeah, tell me.
Maybe we will never get any jobs.
We will not get any jobs because we have grown older.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Ritul, Nerin, anything else to respond? I would like to listen to you. Okay. Yes.
The tooth will become very bad.
Yes. Our teeth will become very bad.
Yeah.
Flies.
And our organs will become old.
Our
Ma'am,
internal and external organs, everything becomes old.
Ma'am, we'll
Agree.
have the longest dream in the world.
We will have, longest dream. We will have the longest dream ever in the world. Very good, Cheryl.
Yeah.
Fires, tell me.
Ma'am, we will forget the people who we know.
And I will get
where
for
We
the
may
longest
forget.
dream. Ma'am, for the longest dream, we will get Guinness record.
Yes, for the longest dream, we will get Guinness record. We may forget the people who were with us. There is a possibility. Yes. Here, your friend Bilsa is here. Let me ask her also. Yes, Bilsa, tell me. Yes. According to Bilsa, she says that we will become very much thin because we are not eating anything for a long time. Okay. 20 years we are not
Ma'am, we will
consuming
get
anything.
ulcer.
We are just sleeping. So we will
And we
lose
will
our
get
health.
ulcer. Can I tell one thing?
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
maybe we will
children.
die.
Thank you so much for your response. I do
ma'am.
understand that you have plenty of ideas. Okay,
Ma'am, we will
very
die.
good.
Ma'am, there might be no trees.
There might be no trees. Oh my goodness. Without trees, how can we survive?
Ma'am, he
All right.
takes teeth, I thought.
Oh, teeth, teeth. Oh, okay, okay. All right. So, Amna, do you have anything to say? No response. Okay. So, thank you so much, children. Thank you for your wonderful answers.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, today we are going to read a very interesting adventurous story titled Rip Van Winkle. Okay. The main character in our story is a man named Rip Van Winkle, who fell asleep in the woods for a very, very long time. And then one day he woke up. Okay, so let's start. I want Rommel to read. Rommel, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Rip Van Winkle was a lazy man who lived in a small Dutch village.
Mm.
He liked to wander through
Wander, not wonder, just wander.
wander through town with his pet dog Wolf
Mm.
and tell stories to children. Rip's wife Dame
Dame,
did
Dame.
did not like his laziness
Mm.
and used to shout and
Yes, ma'am.
Shout at him.
doing any work.
Mm.
To escape her shouting, he often went to
Often. It's not often, it is often.
often went to a nearby inn.
In,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of inn?
I will explain. Don't worry. You just
Mhm.
read now.
Into real
To relax.
relax and exchange stories with his friends.
Mm.
The forest was the only other place where Rip felt safe from his wife's shouting.
Okay, thank you, Rommel.
Okay, ma'am.
Rip Van Winkle was a lazy man who lived in a small Dutch village. What do you mean by Dutch? Dutch village? Have you heard this name? Dutch? Children, any idea?
Yes, ma'am. It's a country. It's a country. I mean, in olden times, Netherlands was called Dutch.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Dutch, belonging to Netherlands.
In olden times, we call Netherlands as Dutch.
Yes, exactly. Who is making sound? Okay, so Dutch is another word for people from Netherlands in Europe. So Rip Van Winkle lived in a small Dutch village. What kind of a person was he? What kind of a person was he? Yes, lazy.
man.
Mark it in your textbook.
very lazy.
He was a very lazy man. He liked to wander through town with his pet dog, Wolf. What is the name of his pet dog? Wolf. Since he was a lazy man, he did not do any kind of job and he would like to wander. What do you mean by wander? Wander. Page number 3, part 2 textbook. Okay, those who have joined late, please note. Page number 3, part 2 textbook. Wander. What do you mean by wander? W-A-N-D-E-R. No. No. Wander
Walk
means
around.
go from one
Walk
place to another. Go
around.
from one place to another. So he preferred wandering. He was a very lazy man. He did not work. So he preferred wandering from one place to another. Okay. Along with whom? Who was there to accompany him?
His pet
To his
dog
friend.
Wolf.
Yes,
To his
his
dog.
pet dog, Wolf. His
Pet
pet
dog
dog,
Wolf.
Wolf, was there to accompany. Okay, so he used to take his pet dog, Wolf, along with him to wander around
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tell stories to the children. So, along with this dog, pet dog, Wolf, he used to tell stories to the children, but he did not do any work. Rip's wife, Dame. What is the name of his wife?
Dame.
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 Duh. It is not Dame, it is Dame.
Dame.
Dame. Yes,
Dame.
correct.
Dame.
Rip's wife, Dame, did not like his laziness and used to shout at him for not doing any work. So, what was the reason why his wife shouted at him?
Because he was lazy.
Because he did
He
not.
Because he was
very
lazy
lazy.
and
Because
did
of
not
Yes.
do
that,
any
he
work.
didn't do any
He
work.
did not do
Yes,
any job.
Rip's wife, Dame, did not like his laziness, so she used to shout at him. To escape her shouting, he often went to a nearby inn to relax. What is inn?
It's a place where people can eat and rent a room. Rent
Ah.
house.
Yes.
Like a house where people can eat or rent.
Inn.
A room.
Look at the spelling, children. I-N-N.
Double N.
Yes, I-double-N. In a house. It's a house where people can eat.
And rent a room to sleep.
Yes, where people can eat
And rent a room to
and
sleep.
rent a room. Rent means
Ma'am, it become can.
rent a room to
Ma'am,
sleep.
it
What do you mean by
becomes-
renting?
Ma'am.
1 day or 2 day.
You have to pay money.
Ma'am,
Okay.
in restaurant.
Yes, you have. No.
But
not
all the
restaurant.
time we will not
Not
call
restaurant.
restaurant, ma'am. Right?
Renting means you have to pay money and then only you can
Ma'am,
stay.
1 o'clock class will finish.
Who is making this sound? And who is reminding me about the time? I know at 1 o'clock we have to wind up. Yes? Anybody is worried about the time?
Ma'am, no.
Amna, what's wrong with you? You know the timing, isn't it? From 2:15 to 1 o'clock is our timing. Don't get distracted, children. Listen. So, to escape her shouting, who used to shout at him?
His
Rip's
wife.
wife. What's her name? Dame.
Dame.
Dame used to shout at him because he was so lazy and he did not do any.
And will not do any work.
In order to escape, in order to free himself from her shouting, where did he go? Yes, he went to a nearby inn to relax and exchange stories with his friends. Okay, so storytelling, that was something that Rip liked most. The forest was the only other place where Rip felt safe from his wife shouting. So one place that Rip used to go is to the nearby
Standing.
Forest.
inn. He used to go to nearby inn to relax, and the second place is
Nearby the forest.
forest. Yes, the other place is forest. So he felt very much safe when he went to forest along with his pet dog. Pet dog? Wolf. Wolf. Okay. Now, children, I will show you some pictures in connection with the with our story. Okay. Yes, this is a title cover. Rip Van Winkle. Yes, written
He
by
is the man
Washington
who
Irving or
named
Irving,
it
whatever you
Van
like, you can call. Okay, the cover page. Look at the man. Yes, here we have an image of Rip Van Winkle, and his wife is shouting at him. Okay, and near to the feet of him, you can see the pet dog named Wolf. Okay. This is also another image. His wife scolding or shouting at him for being so lazy and not doing any work. Children, do you
In
think
the
that
stove.
laziness is a good habit?
No, ma'am, it is a very bad habit.
Habit. You should not be lazy. You have to be very active.
It is very
Yes.
bad habit.
Yes. You have to be very active. You have to do your work on time. Okay. You should not be lazy like Rip Van Winkle. All right. Okay. Shall we move to the next paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Jelin, can you just read the third paragraph? Jelin Shaiju.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read.
As one
Third paragraph. One wintry afternoon.
wintry afternoon, Rip and Wolf went into the hills.
Hills.
Escaped Dames shouting. They spent the whole day
Hunting.
squirrels. Through they
Though it's not through, it is though.
though though they did not catch anything, when it was time to return home, they heard a voice calling.
They heard a voice.
Rip.
Okay. Thank you, Jalen. One wintry afternoon, Rip and Wolf went into the hills again to escape Dame's shouting. So here hills means forest. Okay. So one wintry afternoon, one day during the winter season in the afternoon, Rip and Dame went to the forest to escape his wife's shouting. They spent the whole day. Children, I expect you to be in muted mode now. When I explain, please maintain silence.
Okay, ma'am.
They spent the whole day. Nevin, you're not in muted mode. They spent the whole day hunting for squirrels, though they did not catch anything. So, were they able to catch any squirrels?
No, ma'am.
No.
How did they spend their time in the forest?
For
To
hunting.
hunt animals.
Yes, by hunting squirrels. They tried to hunt squirrels, but they could not catch even a single squirrel. They spent the whole day hunting for squirrels, though they did not catch anything. When it was time to return home, when it was the time of evening to return home, to come back to home, they heard a voice calling Rip. They heard a strange voice calling Rip, Rip, Rip. Some kind of voice they heard.
And drafts, right?
Now, Racine, read.
Yes, ma'am.
They thought
They thought it was
Dame.
Dame.
What happened, Racine? Read. Any confusion?
Here may be network issues.
Ma'am, he is
Karamna, ma'am.
Racine.
small man
May be
in a
network.
strange clothes. The little man was carrying a heavy drum and asked for Rip's help.
Mm.
Rip
Hurried.
hurried to help him.
Mm.
As Rip and the little man carried the drum, they heard a loud
Booming sound.
sound like
Thunder.
thunder.
Mm.
After walking for
Quite a while,
quite a while, they
came.
came to an open field where Rip saw
Many little bearded
little
men.
bearded men playing a game called
Nine pins.
Nine pins.
Okay, children, I'm going to write a word here on the board and you have to give me the correct pronunciation, okay? How do you pronounce the word M-A-N?
Man.
Man. And how do you pronounce this one? M-E-N.
Men.
Men. Okay, man is singular. Single person. Okay, I saw a man in the corridor. Single person. Men means plural.
Plural.
The men enjoyed the festival very well. Okay, so don't get confused. The first one is man and the second one is men.
And
Okay,
Men.
all right. Now look into the textbook. So when it was time for, yes? Did you ask me something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So listen, look into your textbook. So when it was time to return to his home, Rip heard a voice calling him. They thought, who thought?
Wolf
Rip and the wolf
Yes,
and the
Rip
dog.
and his dog. Rip and Wolf, both of them. They thought it was Dame until they saw a small man dressed in strange clothes. Okay, so when it was time to go back to their home, they heard a strange voice calling them and they thought that it was the sound of Dame. Okay, every time Dame used to shout at Rip. So Rip and his pet dog Wolf thought that it was Dame calling them. But after some time, they saw a small man dressed in strange clothes. Okay, the man's clothes was so strange, unusual kind of clothing. It was not just like the clothing of a normal human being. The little man was carrying a heavy drum and asked for Rip's help. Rip hurried to help him. So look at that. Though he was a lazy person, he was ready to help. Note that point. So that is one good quality of Rip. Okay. Though Rip was a lazy person to do the work, he was ready to help. So what is the kind of good quality you find in Rip?
He was ready.
He is
Yes,
very
he was
helpful.
helpful. He was helpful. So the little man was carrying a heavy drum and he asked for Rip's help. And did Rip help him?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rip
Yes.
helped.
Rip hurried to help him. As Rip and the little man carried the drum, they heard a loud booming sound like thunder. After walking for a quiet while, they came to an open field. Field here means space. Okay, an open space. So, children, you have to imagine that Rip and his pet dog, both of them are in the forest. They were spending their time in the forest in order to escape his wife's shouting. And when it was time to go back, what happened? They heard a strange voice and they thought that the voice was made by his wife, Dame. And after some time, they saw a strange man, a small person dressed in strange clothes, and he was carrying a heavy drum. And the small man asked Rip to help him, and Rip rushed or Rip hurried to help the small person. And while they were carrying the drum, they again heard a booming sound. Booming, woo, 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 woo. Booming sound was heard by them, just like thunder. And after walking for quite a while, after walking for some time, three of them reached an open space where Rip saw many little bearded men playing a game called Nine Pins. So after walking for some time, they reached an open space, and what happened? What did they see?
So little
many
man
men
with
playing
beard.
Nine pins.
Yes,
Playing a
they
game
saw
nine pins.
many little men with long beards playing a game called Nine
Nine
Pins.
pins.
The 9-pin game. Who will tell me?
Ma'am and Lulu, mal that game is there.
Have you ever played this game?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I have.
I have seen it.
I have seen it.
I have
Ma'am, in
seen it.
movies.
This is the
Okay,
Ma'am,
you
in
have
movies.
seen it. That's good.
Also,
that's good.
there is in Lulu malls.
Ma'am, it's
Game.
just like
It's
bowling.
plastic also there of that.
Ma'am, it's just like bowling.
Yes, I
Bowling.
know.
Yes.
It's there in Lulu.
Game played with a heavy ball and 9
Yes.
vertical columns.
A game played with heavy
Heavy
ball.
balls.
In your textbook, there is a picture. Okay,
Ma'am,
when
my
I
father has
googled it,
played.
I found the same picture. So anyway, it's there in your text. So I thought there is no point in showing it on the screen. Okay, same picture is there given in Google also. A game played with a heavy ball. Can you see a heavy ball there?
Yes, ma'am. Very heavy
Yes,
ball.
ma'am.
Yes. A game played with a heavy
Heavy
ball
ball and 9 vertical
and 9
columns.
vertical columns. 9
Pins.
vertical columns called.
Pins.
Ma'am, my father has played that. I have.
Yes, Faiz, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right.
Ma'am, it's very similar to bowling.
Oh, all right. Okay. Anyway, I'm not familiar with this game. Thank you for your information. Okay, children, you are all much
Okay,
more
ma'am.
expert in
Thank
this.
you, ma'am.
Okay, 9 pins. So 9 pin is a game played with heavy ball and 9 vertical columns called pins.
Pins.
So these small little men were playing the game called, what's the game? What's the name of the game?
9 pins. 9 pins.
9 pins.
Okay. I think that's enough for today, right? We'll not be able to proceed with the next paragraph.
Ma'am, Anupama will.
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do one more paragraph. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who will read?
Anupama.
Okay, Anupama, read.
Ma'am is a
Okay, so I'll give you a chance. Okay, let her read now.
The noisy games was being played with huge balls
Huge
Huge
balls.
that made a booming sound. When they hit one another, Rip recognized the sound that he had been hearing
He had been hearing.
all along.
Mm.
The sound of their bowling,
Bowling.
a child
Echoed.
echoed throughout the mountains.
All right. The noisy game was being played with huge balls that made a booming sound. Booming sound means loud, deep sound. Okay. Booming sound when they hit one another. So when the balls hit one another, the sound made is very louder. Rip recognized the sound that he had been hearing all along. So when it was time for them to return home, he heard a booming sound. Okay. Now, children, can you tell me what was the sound? What kind of sound was that?
It was a booming sound.
Booming sound like a thunder.
Yes, booming sound like a thunder. And where did the sound come from? The sound came from far away. Okay. And what was the sound? What was the sound from? It was the sound of playing the game called
Sound of their
9 pins.
9 pins. Playing the game called 9 pins.
Where did the sound came?
Yes,
The little
ma'am.
men were playing the game called 9
9
pins.
pins.
So when the
Called 9
balls
pins.
hit each other, when the balls hit each other, the sound produced. Okay, so that was the sound that Rip Van Winkle heard long before. So Rip Van Winkle, Rip recognized the sound that he had been hearing all along. The sound of their bowling echoed throughout the mountains. What do you mean by echoed? Echo.
Ma'am,
Echo.
to continue this,
Yes. Echoed means repeated. Repeated sound.
repeated.
Price.
Sound coming from far away.
Yes. Can you give me an
This is
example
like the
of
sound
echoing sound?
reflection.
and the same sound
Echo.
got
It's
repeated.
the sound reflection. Like the sound is
Ma'am, in
reflected.
Zoom, while taking the class, if someone is unmuted, this echoing sound comes.
Yes, exactly. Very good, Cheryl. While taking the class, when someone unmutes, you will be able to hear echoing sound. That means whatever I say, once again it will be repeated.
It will be repeated.
Yes, echoed, repeated. Okay, the sound of their bowling echoed throughout the mountains. The entire forest was filled with the sound of this 9-pin game. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, let me see whether I can show you some more pictures in connection with. Yes, here we have another picture. Rip Van Winkle sitting in the forest. He is relaxing along with his pet dog, Wolf. Okay, he is relaxing under the shade of a tree. Then,
The wolf is name or
Wolf is the name of a dog. Wolf is the name of a dog. Okay, Wolf.
And the next picture.
is wolf.
No.
No, the dog is wolf and the name
Wolf,
of
we
the dog
cannot
is
make
wolf.
wolf as a pet. animal. Wolf is very dangerous. Dogs can be tamed
It will tell.
very easily. Okay. Wolf is the name of his pet dog. Don't get confused. All right.
The pet
Okay,
is
ma'am.
dog.
Okay. So is the portion clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am. It is very
Yes,
clear.
ma'am. It's
Clear.
very
Thank you
clear.
so much.
Yeah.
So this is the last
ma'am.
class of the year
Bye, ma'am.
2020. Okay.
ma'am.
Okay,
Last
ma'am.
class of 2020.
Yes, ma'am. Bye
To the
bye.
next
Happy
year.
New
Thank you
Year.
and a happy
Okay.
New Year.
Happy New Year to
Year.
everyone. Advance
Happy
Happy
New
New
Year.
Year.
Then.
Okay.
Happy New
Thank you
Year.
so much.
Attendance.
Thank you for your active participation. God bless you all. Bye.
Happy
Take
New Year.
care.
Bye.
Thank you,
See you
ma'am.
next
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.